I'm Ashley from nerDigital. In this video, we're going to show you how to create a messenger greeting message in nerDigital Chatbot marketing. The greeting message is the first message that an audience can see when they come to your messenger or when they want to message your Facebook page. Here are the steps on how to create your greeting message in nerDigital Chatbot marketing. Navigate to the menu, then click Settings. Now click on Channels. Go to Facebook Messenger, navigate to Greeting and click Edit. Then enter your greeting message in the given field. Now, if you want to use multi-language greeting messages, click the Language drop-down menu and choose the languages as per your requirement. Do not forget to save your work. And that's it. We just created your greeting message in nerDigital Chatbot marketing. Let's check it now. There it is. You now have created a nice greeting message. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure to press the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video.